Hi, do you like to earn $75 every 15 minutes free PayPal money? Yeah, this is the earn money from home opportunity right now that you have to jump in right now and watch this video till the end so that you can start earning $75 every 15 minutes. This is free PayPal money, believe me. But before I show you that, welcome to Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so how you can earn $75 every 15 minutes. This is that way I'm going to show you in this video that you have to do, and you have to be active, and you can get that money without any problem. So all you have to do is just put some little effort here and you can definitely earn more than $75 every 15 minutes. That's really cool. So let's jump back into action. The site that I'm going to show you, you just go over to google.com and search for Capterra, and the first result that shows, this is the site, and you just click on it, and this is Capterra.com. Yes, Capterra.com. You may heard it already or you may not, but this is the site that has lots of software listed for reviews, for user reviews. Yeah, and they're going to give you payment for your reviews. So how they're going to pay you for reviews? Because companies all around the world have different kind of software, website, mobile apps, and many things like that they want people's review about it, so that they can sell more of that software, or even they can fix any problems with those softwares and in further release it in updated versions so that they can make this world better. So we are doing reviews and make this greater cause more effective. So all you have to do is just go over to Capterra and you start writing reviews. Yeah, you don't have to be a tech guy, you do not have to research anything, you don't have to be use even buy that software, you do not have to do anything like that. You just do as I say you to do, and you are good to go with this earning money opportunity right now. So Capterra is going to pay you money for your reviews, and they get those monies from those companies that paid out for those reviews. So you can go down to Capterra.com and you can browse through the site and see how these sites is, how they works, and you can go over to their software categories. You can see that they have hundreds and thousands of categories, and you can just click on those categories and you can see that those have many subcategories, and they have a huge database of softwares that you can write a review about. So all you have to do, the process is simple. You just go over there and you can just sign up, or even before that you can just click on write a review here. If you just click on write a review here, this page will show up and it will show all the softwares that are currently listed in Capterra.com, and you can see more by clicking this button, and it's hundreds of software. You can just sort it out by categories. You can just select anything and you are good to go with that. So if you just like, you can see that all the top tier softwares are listed here. You can see that PayPal, Google Docs, Google Drive, WordPress, Microsoft Excel, many more top softwares, top software companies have listed their software here for getting user reviews. So for this video, if I just choose Google Drive, you can just click on it and it will show something like this, the Google Drive review page that Capterra want you to fill up. So the first, this is the 3-step process. You just do as I say you to do, and this is the page that going to ask you for some basic information about yourself before you review Google Drive. So you just put your name, first name, last name, email address, your job title if you have, or if you just don't have a job, you just put freelancer out there, and that's going to be all right. And in organization's name, you can just put self-employed there, or you just put your organization name that you work with. So in the industry sections, you click on the industry that you like most, or you are in the field, or if you just don't have any industry, just choose the category you just like, and that's okay. I choose information services, that's okay, that's my field, so I choose that. Then company size, if you just applying it for yourself only as a freelancer and self-employed, then you can choose myself only. In how long have you used this software? This is very important. If you just want to get accepted by Capterra, you just need to put more than 1 year or 2 years. This is good way to get accepted. You cannot use free trials or less than 6 months. That defines that you do not use this software for a long time and you don't have any good experience with that. So this is very important. Then you just choose any features of Google Drive that you just use. I just use cloud storage here. And then this is very important questions. How frequently do you use this software? So you just choose daily. You do not choose weekly or monthly. That defines that you do not use that software regularly. So you are not going to get accepted by them. So you choose daily, and if you're the user, you just select I am the user, and then you just click on next, and you're good to go with the second page of it. So this is the second page for Google Drive review that we're doing in this video. So this page is asking for some ratings of that software. You just don't have to write anything still. You just click some stars here, and I recommend you just put 5 stars, all of them. Optional fields also you have to fill up, because this gets more chance for you to get accepted by them. So you choose 5 star to all of them, so that this is a better chance that you get accepted by them. And you just select any features and just choose 5 star and write something about good about that feature in just 1 sentence, and that's it. You select the price you like about the Google Drive, then you choose the way you recommend. Would you like to recommend this product to your friends or colleagues or not? So this definitely yes, I'm going to select here 10, that I'm very likely to recommend this product to anyone that I know. So this is the second step for that review process. You just hit next, and we are going to the third and final stage of this software reviews of Capterra. So this page is very important for this review to get accepted, and this is the field where you write the review. But don't worry, you don't have to be a tech guy, you don't have to any technical knowledge, you don't have to buy that software, you don't have to even use that software. I'm going to show you the way by which you can write a good review without doing any of that, and this is very easy. So all it takes is the title of that review. You have to write your title, you have to write your pros, cons about the software that you like about the software and that you dislike about that software. And then this is an optional field, but this is asking for overall experience of that software. This is very important. I said you fill all the fields including optional, that will increase the chances of getting accepted by Capterra. So then if you just feel like all the details and this is simple, and click it and you have to submit. But what's the process? You write the review where you can get the idea of this software without using it. So just head on over to google.com and search for like Google Drive review Capterra. and just change the name, the software you are writing for review, just change the name there and you're good to go. And when you search it like that, the first result it show up, you just go for that result. It's from Capterra.com, so you just go to that page and it will show the Google Drive page for Capterra. So this page shows briefly about that software, how this software works. It has some videos, it has some feature list, it has some more details about the software, how it works, how it performs, and so on so forth. You just go through this, you read this, you have a great idea. You definitely should have a great idea about the software without even using it or buying it. And then what I suggest you to just go down to the review sections. This is the click. You click on reviews, it will go down to the Google Drive reviews, and it's showing you all the reviews that this software gets till now. And you just see that it explained the pros and cons of it. You have a good idea by reading it, but you just need to go to the all reviews that it gets. So for that, you just click on read all reviews button here, and it will show this page, and it's all the reviews that people given so far. You just go over there, read it all, and you have a great idea about the software without even using it. So you can see that all the people have written about it. They have a title. This is the title for that. You just read it and rewrite it in your words and submit it into that form here, and you just read it all. You can see that this is the overall experience of that software. This is the pros that this guy found, that this guy likes about that software, and this is the cons that this guy does not like about that software, and so on. And it's very easy. Just a single paragraph, you just read it and get some ideas and rewrite it into your words and put it here, and this is all done. And then it just take you 2 minutes of your time. This is simple. You just go through, read any reviews, any couple of reviews, and just rewrite it in your words and put some sentences out there. It doesn't need to be a very long. It needs to be very specific about the things you are writing. So this is just a very easy process. You just read it, rewrite it, and it does take 2 minutes, and hit submit, and you are done. You just move on to the next software that you want to review and go on like that. More reviews you write, there are more chances that your reviews get accepted by them, and this going to give you $10 for every review that Capterra accepts from you. So this is a good earning opportunity. Just in 2 to 3 minutes of time, you can write a good review and submit it to Capterra, and Capterra is going to give you $10 if it get accepted. So more reviews write, more chances you get. So definitely for 15 minutes of time you can get $75. If you just spend 30 minutes, you can even earn $150 for that. This is a really awesome opportunity right now that you have to jump right in and start earning money right away. So this is, guys, you have to be active, and then money will follow you definitely. Please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell, and stay with my channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.